This is epic, 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 epic dude 84. This is epic dude 84, and I'm gonna play. Well, I'm not playing anything. I'm just showing my friend. He's doing some extreme bike, like some simple bike trick. And I repeat, do not try these at home. Do not try these at home. And this is part 2. Forgot to mention that. And then there he does a little simple messed up thing that is that late kind of one that I couldn't do, or I could do it, I just didn't like do it. Oh man, I can't zoom in. And this will be the last trick of the day. Scoppity. Yeah, I had no idea what that was. So, see ya and some other stuff.